Okay, guys. We sort of got cut off because we are using just a phone to film this. This may be like a little lopsided. I'm not sure for y'all guys. But whatever. If you look at this, look how good this ramen noodle cheese shrimp lobster is. If you want to,
Lobster?
I mean shrimp. Oops. Anyways, yeah. Remember the healthy snack of strawberries.
Not just my strawberries.
Okay, so just look at it. Look at the most beautiful thing you ever saw. Not really, because next we're going to be breakfast with Eric. Okay, guys, so see you next time. This may be a... Oops, wrong side. So, see you later, guys. Bye-bye. You're weird. I'm done.